Say goodbye. So the reason I'm singing right now is not so you can hear my outstanding voice, but a very common question that I get is, how should I breathe during exercise? How can I improve my breathing? And when people sing, they're often very relaxed, they're happy, and they'll breathe the way that we should often breathe when we exercise. If you notice singers, they often breathe in through their nose, and then when they need to sing, they expel the air as they sing. So when you sing, I'm sure you often do the same thing. You inhale through your nose to get some breath, and then to sing, you will open your mouth and then you'll expel that air. And then when you need more oxygen to sing, you inhale through your nose and then exhale as you sing. So I do that, especially if the exercise is getting quite intense. Oftentimes I will breathe in through my nose and out through my nose because there's a lot of benefits with that. But as the exercise intensity increases, I will inhale through my nose and exhale through my mouth. So I made a video on the many benefits of nose breathing. I highly recommend checking that out. So if you're exercising, I highly recommend, if the exercise is a low level activity, inhale through your nose, exhale out through your nose. But as the exercise intensity increases, inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. So just remember, how should you breathe during exercise, especially if it gets more intense? Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, just like you're singing.